One of the first decisions you'll need to make is what platform you're going to use when building your sites. You could use Joomla, Drupal, or one of hundreds of online WYSIWYG editors. WYSIWYG stands for What You See Is What You Get. These are basically drag and drop type editors. They're easy to use but limited in functionality. I strongly encourage you to use the WordPress platform. WordPress is fairly easy to learn and works well for designing small business websites. It's also easier to teach others to use it. On occasion, you're going to have a client that wants to be able to make changes to the website themselves rather than having you do it. In this case, you'll need to show them how to do it, and WordPress makes that process fairly easy. However, if you already know how to use a different platform such as Joomla or Drupal, and you want to continue using what you already know, then that is perfectly fine as well. Just know that any information I give in this course about the design or hosting of your site is directed towards the WordPress platform. You can easily adapt that to whatever platform you're using though. Another great thing about WordPress is that there are literally thousands of free themes and plugins that you can use. I use a lot of free plugins on my sites, but when it comes to themes, I only use premium themes. The free ones, they just don't have enough functionality, and many of them are kind of cheesy. Finding one that is even halfway decent can be very time consuming. Over the years, I've tried themes from many different premium sites. Some have been good and others not so good, but I have finally settled on one that I love. It's called Themify. The reason I like Themify is that they have several pre-made themes that you can use, or you can use their Themify builder to create your own custom theme, thereby making every website unique. If you use different premium themes from different sites, you'll have a small learning curve with each new theme that you try. But if you use Themify, you only have the initial learning curve because the framework is the same on all of their themes. I provided a link to Themify in the bonus section for you. If you will be using WordPress, I encourage you to use Themify themes. One thing to note about using WordPress is that your themes, plugins, and the WordPress platform itself is constantly being updated. So you have to be sure to log into all of your sites at least once a month to perform updates. It's very simple and usually takes less than 5 minutes to do so. If you don't perform updates on a regular basis, your websites can become vulnerable to hackers. Trust me, you don't want to have to deal with hackers. Which brings us to our next video about choosing the best host for your websites.